So again, this is in general form. Just looking at it, we can't tell what the vertex is. Okay? Our goal is to rewrite this in this form because then we'd be able to see what the vertex would be right from the equation. And we do that by completing the square. So if you reference your notes on the other page, step 1 was to factor out the a value out of the first two forms. You may find that you put step 1 and step 2 together in the same step, that you could leave spaces right away. So you factor the 3 out of the first two terms. Yes?
You made the minus sign look a little too much like a space.
Yeah, I have it in a different color though. So, okay. Here we go. How about, there we go, there. Oh, oh yeah, that looks really good. Okay, much better. So now we look at our spaces to fill in the first space. We take the minus 4, divide by 2, you get negative 2. Negative 2 squared is plus 4. And on the other one, minus 12. And that's where I put that little note. Remember that when I put this green 4 there, it gets multiplied by that 3. So I've actually added 12. So to compensate, so I do nothing, I subtract 12. That way, the numbers that I put in green actually don't change the value of the equation, just change how it looks. But now we can rewrite this and what will our vertex be? 2 and minus 5. This one here? This 2, that minus 2 will always be half of that middle number. Right? And we went from here to here by taking this number, dividing by 2, then square that, right? And if you FOIL things lots, if you distribute this out many times, you start to notice that the outside and the inside always double, right? And so there's the patterns that are good to connect to. If you're forgetting the patterns, square a couple things out. That's what they were trying to get you to see right at the beginning today, right? When you factored each of these, you got perfect squares. And to notice that this term here and this term, this one, if you divide by 2 and square, that's where they're connected to. So there's our vertex. Questions we can do for this one are 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we'll do all 3 examples today.